darlings, welcome back to my channel. I really need to make a brand new logo slash intro because I'm kind of bored of that introduction now, so I really need to make a new one, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna try and do something maybe. So this morning I woke up to an amazing package, and by the way, don't mind me because I'm having a couple of breakouts for some reason, who knows why. Also, I haven't fake tanned. I really need to fake tan, so I'm going to fake tan tonight. Just, what is life? So I got an amazing package this morning through the post. I was like, what's this? I haven't even ordered anything, so why am I getting a package? And it was from PLOUISE, and it's a PR package, so how amazing is that? So this is the All You See Is Sans collection. So yeah, let's get into it and do a makeup look. So first up, can we just appreciate the box? Like, the thing that annoys me about PLOUISE is, like, they always come out with things like this, and I can't throw them away. Like, I feel the need to keep them, and I'm becoming a hoarder. So, like, why do they keep doing this to me? Because my house is just full of PLOUISE stuff. I've had to put some in the loft because... But yeah, how amazing is this packaging? And then the goodies are inside. So I won't show you everything that I got, but basically I got this bad boy, which is really cute. So this is basically, if you've got a business or whatever, you can put this on your desk and it says how much of a bad bitch you are. And then in the back you can keep brushes in there, or you can keep whatever you want in there basically. So yeah, they sent me that, thank you very much. That's very cute. I got a big 50ml PLOUISE base shade 2, which I'm very happy about because I love these. These literally save lives because I run out of base so much, and this, it just goes on forever, so very happy about that. I got 3 of the mini palettes. Look how beautiful they are. So people have been like begging PLOUISE to do smaller palettes for a while, and that's what they've started doing. So these are the Stack It Up palettes. I'll show you like really quickly what they look like. If you do get in the budget box, guys, so if you don't know what the budget box is, basically every month PLOUISE do a budget box for like 30 quid, and it's like you save basically a lot of money, and it's an amazing way to get new products and old products to kind of like, if you can't really afford to like try them, it's really amazing to try them. And last month, I think it was last month or the month before, we got this palette. So this is a miniature of, so this one is a miniature of this one. I thought this was the actual palette, but it's not. It's a miniature version of the big one. So it's good to know that, isn't it? Good to know. So yes, here we have the pink one. As you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. Let me zoom you in. So yeah, that is what that one looks like. It's just really nice and pink. So if you're into pinks, you can, you know, fill your boots. Then we have this purple toned one, the shimmers. Like, it's just not doing it justice on camera, but the shimmers are just beautiful. You've got quite a good range of tones in there as well. And this one is kind of like the bluish one, just beautiful. I love like these tones at the bottom. So yes, stay tuned because I will be doing another video on these. But for now, we're going to focus on the big one. So this one is today's focus. This is the All I See Is Signs. And as you can see, it's got like money in it. So it's not real money, but it's like the Bank of PLOUISE. So I just love the packaging. As you all know, PLOUISE is amazing at packaging. And then it's got like this little clasp on it, which is cute. And then when you open it, so when you open it, guys, this is the mirror that you get. And then obviously with my unfinished wallpaper, can you see? And then that is the palette, guys. So how beautiful is that? You've got a lot of like warm tones, like peaches. I feel like this would be really nice for like a wedding. I just love the colour tones in it. So this is what we're going to be working with today. So my idea for this look is just do something simple-ish. I'm not going to use every single shade, of course. I do want to try this paint as well. So this is the new yellow paint. So I do really want to try that. So I'm just going to do like a couple of browns and just, I don't know, I might change my mind halfway through, but we're going to see what happens. So yeah, let's get to do some makeup. By the way guys, as always, if you do see anything that you really like or you really want, you can use my discount code ADAMASHMAN10 and it'll save you 10% off. All links are down below. So yeah, right, take my glasses off so you can see my ugly face. Oh, so starting with the brow balm, let's get these brows into shape. If you've not tried this brow balm yet, why not? Because it's just absolutely sickening. Like look at that, look how easy that was. So my tip with this is just keep brushing your brows until you kind of feel like a tug, and then that's when it's kind of set, and then you can like press them down and they'll literally won't move. So yeah, just keep going. But look at that, I didn't need no water, I didn't need anything, they've literally just stuck. Alright guys, so I've just put PLOUISE Base Shade 2 all over my lid, so now let's get into the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm just jumping into the shade 1111 with the PLOUISE 198 brush from the Weldy collection, and then just taking that shade and just stomping it in. Like, look at that pigment already. I'm gonna do a very rounded, like kind of like a rounded shape, and I'm literally just stamping in the colour at the minute. And then once my shape kind of looks like that, I'm just gonna take the same brush with no extra product. I'm just gonna lightly tickle the edges. Next up, going in with a Made by Mitchell brush. This is the ME1 brush, and I'm dipping into the shade Dreamer. And then with that, I'm just gonna literally go 50% on, 50% off this shade. You can see how just beautiful and saturated these shadows are, and the blending and pigment just, I just love them. Next up, taking the 115 brush, again from the Weldy collection, and I'm just dipping into the shade PLOUISE. And then with this shade, again, 50% on, 50% off, and this is going to be the final blend that really like kind of blurs out and gives us that really blended look. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm literally going to go back in with my shades. Now the reason why I'm going to do this is just to build up any intensity that I've lost whilst I've been blending, and it just gives you like the best outcome. So this is what PLOUISE calls the sandwich stages, because we're basically going in and we're just securing the shades, and we're just basically getting everything saturated, getting the pigment there, and just making sure that we've got the best eyeshadow. I like going back in with my shadows as well, because it really helps to make sure that I've got like the precision there. So like me, I tend to find that I like to bring my first colour more outwards, depending on what look I do, but it just helps to make, like, it just helps basically. And like right now I can see that it's blending to perfection. I hardly have to do any work at all, but it just makes it look perfected. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly cut my crease, and yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I've just cut my crease with a bit of Durvalin. I've gone higher than usual, but after much deliberation, whatever, I'm going in with this. So this is the new PLOUISE paint in the shade Golden Treasure. So I'm just gonna pop that all over my lid. Right guys, I'm going in with the PLOUISE 7072 brush, which looks like that. I'm using a smaller brush just for more precision. And because it's a paint and it dries down in 60 seconds, you don't want to use a lot, otherwise it won't set properly. I like to cut my crease out first just because these paints work better on bare skin. So yes, let's put it on. Right guys, so what I'm doing now is I'm just taking the shades that I used up here, and I'm just kind of like blending them this way, just to create like kind of an ombre effect. And then I am going to pop a little bit of a shimmer on top of this yellow as well, so yeah. Right guys, I'm going in with the shade Vibrations, and I'm going to put that all over my lid on top of this yellow. So I've just blended the shadow onto the lid and then added the shimmer. So now what I'm going to do is use the yellow paint on my waterline. So I'm going to put this in my waterline and do my base, and I'll be right back. And there we go, guys. That is my finished look using the PLOUISE All I See Is Sands palette. What do you think? I absolutely love it. As usual, I think the colours in this are absolutely beautiful. I think you can create a lot of amazing looks with this, especially like this bottom row. I'm definitely going to be doing a look using those. The shimmers are just absolutely blinding. I can't wait to play with some more of those, especially this coppery shade down here. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like this look? What do you think? Is it cute? And what do you want to see from me? I'm definitely going to do some more videos like this, maybe a little bit more in depth if you want. Who knows? But yeah, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on there, because this is where I'll be posting all my looks and finished looks. So yeah, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, please go follow me there. And hope you all had a good time watching this. And yeah, what do you think? So yeah, guys, I will catch you in my next video. Like I say as well, if you do want any PLOUISE goodies, you can use my discount code. They're all linked down below. And yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. And I will see you in my next one.